Good morning. I am Dr. Ramanigopal. I am very glad to participate in this digital classroom. Today, we are going to discuss about the human resource management. About human resource management, before entering into the subject, let's have some analysis about this subject and its importance. Why this subject is introduced in your curriculum? What is the meaning of this subject? Especially, what is the meaning of the term HR management or HRM? What is the purpose of this subject in your curriculum? Where and when you are going to apply this in your career? Also, we are going to learn about how to apply. Today, while you are going to apply this human resource management, what are the challenges the present industry environment is facing, especially the human resource managers, and what are the process as a HR manager you are going to meet out in the industrial environment, and how to do assessment with the help of this human resource management. So, with this basic information, let us start our first unit of human resource management. If you are going to have a clarity in all these aspects, you should be sufficiently good enough to answer the following questions. What are the recruitment process you are going to come across to complete the recruitment? And what are the challenges industries are facing today? Accordingly, how you have to do the recruitment process. So let us assume that after completing this degree or after completing this subject, you are going to become a HR manager. If you are going to become an HR manager, you should have a clear-cut idea about how you are going to pursue about the personalities based on the answer of a participant in an interview. What is your expectation from the participant, those who are going to appear in the interview during the recruitment process? What are the expectations of the industry from the participants or newly going to be recruited employees? Whether the industry expectations are based on the challenges so far they have come across, that means the existing employees of the organization. What are the present challenges industries are coming across in human resource aspects? By considering all these, as a HR manager, how you are going to assess the present participants to meet out the industry challenges that can minimize the present challenges to the industry in human resource aspects, and how these challenges becomes conditions to an HR manager to do recruitment process at the time of interview. So, the interview becomes a things to do list or a checklist against the participant, and based on the perceptions of the human resource manager, which depends the perception of you, especially as a human resource manager in your career. As a HR manager, how you are going to serve for the welfare of the recruitment process in your career. This is what we are going to discuss now. So dear students, if you are going to become an HR manager, your assessment is based on your perception. That's what you have to be very clear. The perception may be in different aspects according to the industry expectation, where industry expectation is based on the challenges they come across in human resource aspects. So, in this session, before detailing all this above information I narrated, let us consider some of the important and most essential challenges the present industry is facing nowadays. Especially after recruitment, what are the challenges industries are coming across? This information that we are going to discuss now may be highly useful provided if you are going to become an HR manager in future based on this subject. So, let us understand the challenges faced by the industries in recruitment process, especially the personalities of the present generation of the students aspiring for career. Today, any HR manager should check the participants in the different parameters because industry expects their employees should be good enough in many areas apart from sound technical knowledge, because your curriculum will help you to acquire sound technical knowledge, but that alone is not going to help you to become an employee of an organization, because today industry has fixed some essential parameters to identify a potential candidate during the recruitment process in various assessment opportunities. First, they wanted to understand whether the participant will be having interest and involvement in career. Today, loyalty is missing. Therefore, what is the percentage of loyalty every individual appearing for the interview is having? Social responsibility of the participant will also be verified. Today, engineering graduates or other discipline graduates other than commerce are not having idea about commercial knowledge. Also, entrepreneur knowledge is also verified whether the students are having some innovative or creative idea or not. In addition, how their behavior will be in a group dynamics, in a team participation, whether the aspirant will be a proactive personality or not, whether the participant is acquired or having ability to innovate or not, what's the percentage of listening skill, what is the quantum of attitude as well as aptitude, and their creativity ideas. Apart from all this, their communication skill is also checked. So, if you are going to become a HR manager, you should be sound enough or good enough to assess the participant in all the above parameters as we listed. Thus, the human resource management subject may help you or prepare you to understand what is human resource and their challenges, and what is the roles and responsibility of a human resource manager, what are the challenges in the working environment today the industries are facing in human resource aspects. So with all these conditions, being a HR manager, how you are going to assess the present generation of students or aspiring personalities, those who applied for the employment opportunities in industries. So the issues and challenges faced by industries becomes the issues and challenges to be faced by HR managers. So every HR manager is going to come across the information that we discussed. So thus, the human resource management subject will help you to understand the present challenges in human resources, especially in recruitment process. This is what the introduction in the first unit we are going to understand. The reason, every subject we should understand where we are going to apply and applications of that particular subject. Since human resource management is the one of the subject of your MBA degree, you should be very clear about these special challenges which you are going to come across in your future career. So I believe this subject will help you to understand the present challenges in the industries, the present challenges in the human resources, the present challenges among the students community when they are going to come across at the time of recruitment process. So in all these three aspects, a HR manager should be ready, good enough to understand the present scenario. Thus, this human resource subject will help you to meet out all these challenges This is what we are going to understand in the introduction session. Thank you very much.